Nĩ atongoria a kaunti ya Baringo hamwe na ikundi itarĩ cia thirikari makigeria kuheana ũteithio wao icigo-inĩ cia Kapau, Patat, Loweto Moi na Kongor sub-kaunti-ini ya Tiati. Aikari a icigo ici nĩo magomeirwo muno nĩ murimu wa malaria hamwe na ng'aragu.
Culture as a people does not allow us to keep the dead for a while. We don't take them to hospital or for anything. If somebody dies, they are buried more or less like the Muslim way. That is the culture of the Pokot people. So it's not easy to ascertain the number of people who have died. But this epidemic has been there for a while, and we appreciate the amount of effort that has come, amount of support that has come to these people.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Baringo na thirikari nene nĩ ciũrĩtio gũtigĩrĩra nĩ ciarũmbũiya aikari a Baringo na njĩra ya gwaka mathibitarĩ hamwe na mathukuru.
Schools, there are enough schools. There's no water. And for sure, 50 years down the line, this is quite a challenge for Baringo people and the government of Baringo and Kenya at large.
It is overwhelming to us here in Baringo County as a county. So I want to appeal to the national government that they send also some officers to come and assist us, because this is an epidemic that you don't know when it will end.
We have 53 facilities, health facilities, and the nurses we have are 38, 8 clinical officers and 1 doctor. So you can imagine the scenario.
Mwenene wake gavana wa kaunti iyo nĩetĩtie ũteithio kuma kũndũ guothe ũteithĩrĩria kũrũa na mũtuthũko wa mũrimũ ũyũ wa malaria, akiuga thirikari yake nĩ ĩrutanĩirie gwĩka maũndũ marĩa mothe ĩngĩhota nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria aikari a Baringo. Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Karũga wa Mwangi.